That should be coming soon.
Rest of today, north wind 10 to 15 knots. Mostly sunny. Waves 1
Say hi, everybody.
Tonight, northeast wind 5 to 10 knots veering southeast after midnight.
Everybody's just
Partly
waking up.
cloudy.
Greetings from New
Waves
Jersey.
around 1 foot. Thursday, southwest wind 5 to 10 knots. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves around 1 foot. Thursday night, south wind 5 to 10 knots. Slight chance of showers and thunderstorms. Waves 1 to 2 feet. The water temperature off Michigan City is 57 degrees and 54 degrees off St. Joseph. Air quality alert in effect for Wednesday. An Air Quality Action Day has been declared for Wednesday, August 10th by the Indiana Department of Environmental Management for LaPorte, Elkhart, and St. Joseph counties in Indiana. Ozone levels are expected to be in the orange or unhealthy for sensitive groups range. For additional information, please visit the ITDM Smog Watch website at www.in.gov/apps/IDEM/smog or the EPA Air Now website at www.airnow.gov and click on Indiana.
This is a test of the NOAA Weather Radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties in Indiana: Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Miami, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, and Jay. And in Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiance, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert. And in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at weather.gov/IWX and click on NOAA Weather Radio under local information. We now return to normal programming.
Was that a human?
Here is regional view.